man himself, Beau. First time you had a look at Uni, open the box, man, give us a look.
Thanks for having me. Here we go, man. This one, it's a paella. How about we do this one?
Yeah, there you go. Risotto. Love it.
Where's that spoon, bud? So that you gotta let it simmer. Traditionally, sausages take the longest to cook, but not with this thing, not with this Flemish oil. What is that? Sunflower oil? It's nice.
Yeah.
We're gonna have the chicken too. That chicken will cook quick. What else are we gonna put in there?
Yeah.
The Frito. Chili.
So there you go, mate. You're killing it. You're killing it. Not only the greatest winger of all time, but mate, the greatest winger of all time, I reckon.
Add the rice.
There you go. And then, guess what? Mate, you're almost done. Do we have some plates here?
Do we have a timer ticking down the bottom? We should have done that. It should be about 6 minutes right now. We're gonna eat again.
Is it really? Yeah. There you go.
I come out here just to have a little bit of a chat, have a coffee. Next thing I'm cooking paella for 1,200 people.
Mate, just a bit of clean here. There you go. Look at this stuff. There's everything here ready to be recycled, so I'll get rid of that. Mate, use tongs. Usually I'll use tongs, but that's all right.
No, just follow
That's all right. We'll do it your way. Oh, you said use the wooden spoon.
It said we'd use the wooden spoon.
Okay, evenly. Yeah. Let's get another one. One for you, one for the missus.
Fire out, this is good. And because I'm half Spanish as well, por favor, anda la hipa. I love Spanish food. What I like to do is I like to put it on my hands.
I've heard it all.
See that? Try and get some cutaways. Come in close to this.
See, it's the way you sprinkle it. That's what people don't get. Look, see it. See the finger work. Get in close. See the way the fingers work. It's see that people don't get it. You know what I mean? People think you just do that.
That's right. No, it's all from the heart.
You know what's funny? I swear that
He
is proud of himself. He is proud.
So we're sitting on what, 7? You're 8 by the time I taste this. Bon appetit.
Yes. It's hot. You cooked it. So there's only one person to blame. That's you.
Very hot. I'm not gonna lie, it's got very chilly as well. Here we go. Wow. Treat sounds good, man. Not gonna lie now. Oh.
Camera doesn't like.